Add a touch of flair to your Subaru by adding 17-inch black alloy wheels. These wheels will give your car a more sporty and aggressive look. Alloy wheels are lighter and will enhance your car's overall appearance. At Subaru, we stand by all our products and warrant that all Subaru genuine accessories are free from defects in material and workmanship. There are 2 different warranty periods depending on when you installed your accessories. If they were installed prior to delivery of your new Subaru, then you are covered for parts and labor for 36 months or 60,000 kilometers. If the accessories were installed after initial delivery of your Subaru, then you are covered for 12 months or 20,000 kilometers. Having a warranty on your accessories will give you additional peace of mind. For more information, please see your Subaru parts department or visit us at subaru.ca/accessories.